Hi friends, how are you? This video clip is on the textile design, the woven fabric weaving pattern, that is broken twill. Already many of you have heard, especially by the textile engineers. Those may be a diploma qualified, JOC qualified, or any BTech, MTech, PhD, whatever the qualified, they know very well about the broken twill. This broken twill is not a new pattern. This is the oldest, 15th, 16th century oldest weave. This is a modification of twill weave. Already I released 4 or 5 weaving patterns: plain weave, twill weave, satin weave, basket weave. Okay, you can watch to understand about the textile designs. See, this broken twill, the name itself indicating the basic twill weave is broken. Broken means not like cracking. The whatever the pattern is there, the basic pattern, that may be a 2 up, 1 down, 2 up, 2 down, or 3 up, 1 down twill, or 3 up, 2 down twill, or any extended patterns in the basic twill weave, that is break in a half portions. The whatever the lengthwise threads are there, that is called warp threads, or widthwise threads are there, that is picks. Okay, these warp and weft, that is ends and picks, whatever the floating interlacement is taken place, that interlacement mechanism is used to weave plain, twill, satin, so on, so on, so on. Okay, like that, in this interlacement of warp and weft, the technique used is, that is the modification is done, is making the basic twill into 2 half parts. That is, that may be a lengthwise or might be widthwise, that is warp way or weft way. If the twill, if the lengthwise you take warp way, whatever the twill repeat will be there, that repeat way, the repeat is divided into 50%. Okay, from twill weave, that we may go from left side to right side, or right side to left side, that is left hand twill or right hand twill. Left, if from the left down to right up goes, it's a right hand twill, that is a Z twill. If it is coming from right down to going up left, it is a S twill or left hand twill. Okay, these right and left hand twill are considered in this broken twill as 50% breaking. The whatever the moving from left down to right up, that is Z twill or right twill, that is stopping in the middle at after a half portion and taking it to the reverse side. I will show the example how it is reversing. The reversing of the floating of the threads, that is by breaking halfway in the 50% of the movement in the floating of the repeat, that is called breaking. Breaking of the repeat, not breaking of the threads, not breaking of the warp or weft threads, that is breaking of the repeat. That is give a very good look. Okay, because of the breaking takes place in the midway, halfway of the repeat of the basic twill, so the whatever the resulted outcome is called broken twill. Twill is broken. Broken twill. See, this broken twill can be achieved by what I told, warp way or weft way, and many patterns can be designed. That is how the weaving mill the weaving designer or textile designer, how they modify. It depends upon the mill's decision, on their capacity decisions and their planning decisions and their market decisions. Based on the market, the planning, costing, price, they are deciding what type of broken twill can be achieved, and also what type of fibers, cotton or PC or broken twill can be applied in normal 100% cotton or PC or denims fabrics, whatever it may be, wool fabric, many applications can be achieved. The fiber and application many.